Hey guys, I just woke up and this is me kind of getting ready for the day. I have a few things to get in line. We have groceries to run, and then we will be meeting up with some of our friends to go play top golf. Well, actually, yeah, I'll just bring you along on the day just to see how that kind of goes. Right? Chat soon. Bye. So it's been a long night of having like a weekend to ourselves, and I'm about to go to bed. I need to take out this hair. It has basically lifted its course. Huh? Y'all see all those tangles in there? Hey, so switching over to a voiceover because that sound is just not doing it for me. Let's unwind for today. For the past couple of weeks, we've been extremely busy. I mean, we've had events here and there. I mean, we've been to Texas, Atlanta, New York. We've just been having so much to do, and it's been busy, but the good kind of busy. but I'll be the first to admit that I'm relieved that we finally have a weekend to ourselves. In today's vlog, I wanted to touch on the act of being intentional. More importantly, living a more intentional life that involves being mindful and purposeful in my actions, decision, and overall approach to life. Personally, it's been important for me in this season to dig deep to identify areas that I'm lacking or stuck in because it helps me to recognize areas where my actions or habits may not necessarily align with my goals and values, and there's been a lot of self-reflection happening in this season of my life. In my discovery about living a more intentional life, I discovered self-reflection. Personally, I need to make it a point to reflect on my life monthly or probably even quarterly at the very least. The reason why I like to do this is because it really helps me to consider my daily routines, habits, evaluate relationships, and overall well-being. Some of the questions I've been finding myself asking was, what activities or habits bring me joy and fulfillment? Are there aspects of my life that feel chaotic and unsatisfying? Why is it that I often feel rushed or overwhelmed? Are there areas in my life that I'm not living in alignment with my values? Now, I can't boast of having the answers to these questions, and I don't know that I ever will, but one thing's for certain, I can't stop asking them. One of the things I've been doing that has really helped is to reflect on my life, but not as how they used to be or how they will be, but how they currently are. I'm learning to live more and more in the moment and appreciating the things and the people around me. I will go ahead and end today on that note. that's all. Our super productive weekend on our time off. So I'll go ahead and check out. In the gentle embrace of a setting sun, our day of positivity, beauty, and uplifting moments draw to a close. And we are reminded that life's beauty is not only found in the grand gestures, but also in the tender everyday moments we often overlook. As we prepare to lay our heads to rest, let's carry the essence of this day forward. The unwavering belief in the goodness around us, the radiance of positive thinking, and how it is all connected. If you found joy in this video, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. And until we meet again, continue to walk in faith, radiate positivity, and find beauty in every step. Good night, sunshines.